So, as per the interior reports, three bodies are being observed and seems to be neutralized. So, this is all, but still it is operation. So, I would not like to divulge much at this moment. We will share details with you at an opportune time, because it takes some time to get
And
more.
Mr. Birti, they said two of them were involved in Pahalgam terror attack, Yasir and Suleiman.
As I said, it will take us some time for identification and all that. Still, parties are inside and all that. It is. I would like to say
a bit of background, not the information. How long you were actually preparing for this chasing them?
I'll let you know at. We will let you know at the opportune time.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
So that is, of course, the security forces saying that, as is the process, as is the time taken in identification process of the neutralized terrorists, that will be taken, and then more and more details will be, told to us as to what exactly went on in Operation Mahadev. We'll keep getting you more and more details of this. But right now, let's also take a look at this report that has been filed by my colleague Sahil.
Indian Army has killed 3 terrorists in the Lidwan area of Dachigam. We are reporting from the same location where this operation is currently underway. Indian Army and the Special Operation Group of Jammu and Kashmir Police is jointly conducting and carrying out this anti-terror operation. It was started early morning today at around 7 a.m. Security forces had this input that there are around 2 to 3 terrorists who are hiding in this foresty area, and after that the operation was in fact initiated. At around 11 a.m. the security forces managed to establish contact with the hiding terrorists, and in fact as a result of which Indian Army eliminated all 3 terrorists who are in fact Pakistani terrorists and suspected to be affiliated with the same group TRF that in fact carried out the Baisar and Pahalgam attack. We are also learning from the sources that they could be the ones who were involved in the attack. So as of now, the security forces are carrying out this search operation in the area, and in fact this is big success for the security forces, particularly after this operation in fact Sindoor. We had seen since the beginning of this Shri Amarnath Ji Yatra, security forces had started extensive search operations in forest areas of Jammu and Kashmir, particularly in Kashmir Valley, to flush out hiding terrorists, and now we are getting the information that in fact this is officially confirmed that 3 Pakistani terrorists stand eliminated, and the search operation is continuing at the place where this operation is taking place. With video journalist Rafiq, this is Sohail in Lidwan, Dachigam.